Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Gaggia classic espresso machine. That it comes to us, it was like no water coming through that group head. I unclogged it, cleaned it up a little bit, then when I tested again, I found it like leaks. There was like the steam valve broken. It's from where it's joined it to the boiler. So I replaced that valve, and with the pressure, then I found like the steam wound itself leaks from this joint. So I found it like it's just a gasket. I replaced it. Then I tested, it was like working perfect. So this machine comes without the tray and without a portafilter, so I borrow it from one of our machines. So test that one. So let's go ahead and make an espresso shot on it. Let me release some water before that. It's a good position here. So let's go ahead and it's giving really perfect shot. This is what I'm seeing now. So I'm using really fine grind. It's not calibrated with this machine, but it still works good. This is really perfect shot with thick crema and tasty too. So let's go ahead and test the steamer. So yeah, the steamer works perfect. Yeah, thank you for watching.